just remember to wash out the fins that makes up the mullet. In the first Frozen, Elsa let her go, and in the second movie, Elsa let down her hair. So I thought to myself, I wonder, that doll I bought from the Disney store, the Elsa Hair Play, I'll actually leave a link in the description of this video. I was actually bored that day, and I looked at my Elsa standing there and I thought, well, let's untangle the braid, or loosen the braid and see what it looks like. So I first had to wash out the gel at the bottom because I'm making like a point, and let it dry, combed it a bit, not a lot of hair loss, and I looked at her the next morning. So she had like the loose hair with those two fins coming, at each side of the head, and it just looked really bad. I mean, we're talking about Queen Elsa. I could not let the poor girl look like that. So I actually washed the fins out, no more gel at this side, and I ended up styling it, and this is what she looks like now. Super happy. So I actually used the accessories she came with, which was the hair clips, along with extended pieces of hair. So that's what she looks like on this side, and in here I did like a semi braid, and this was the end result, and I am so happy. So I first washed out the bottom that had that point right there, like a really sharp curly point. Obviously, that was put there to maintain the hairstyle, but this is a hair play doll. I mean, I took a chance. First attempt, not happy at all. Second attempt, really happy. I mean, look at that. This chick can give Rapunzel a run for her money. So I must say, I was so happy to see I could do this. You can even see like the little hair pieces on the side of her face. It just looks really natural, because I mean, I do like Elsa's hairstyle in the movie because it's different, towards the other princesses. So I thought this was refreshing. But when it comes to the doll, it can really quickly turn into a mess, and that's what happened with my first attempt. But I fixed it. She's no longer got the mullet fin thing going on. She is looking like a queen that she is, and I'm really happy. I will definitely post some close-ups of Elsa. So just for collectors, if you were wondering if it's worth it to let her hair down, undo the braid, most definitely give it a try. If you like keeping the braid the way it came out of the box, please do that. But if you want to experiment a little bit, it's definitely worth it. You're not going to make a mess. Just remember to wash out the fins that makes up the mullet. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you in the next one.